All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the little, it's like a camshaft end plug. Very simple, parts about like 12 bucks from the dealership. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver just to pop it out. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we'll go ahead and start this video after the intro. So coming right up here, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to get a flathead screwdriver and just kind of wedge in between right there. I don't know if you can see that pretty well. So we'll go ahead and pop this guy right out. Just wedge it in between there and just pry it back. And then work your way around and it should pry right back, and then oil should start leaking out a little bit. So just like that. No matter what you do, if you clean it up, oil will leak out just a little bit. And then you're going to grab your new plug right here, and then you're just going to go ahead and put this right over it, if I can get that to focus, and just go ahead and clip it right in. I know some of you guys want to clean it up, but really doesn't matter. And just like that, very simple. Clean up your area. Yeah, I mean, that's spray some brake cleaner right there and then wipe it down with the rag. But if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.